Hello po, nandito tayo ngayon sa I'm Perfect Grand MediaCon. What can you expect? Ano yung may expect nyo po dito sa movie?
I was told already by Ate Sylvia na medyo ano daw siya, nakaka-heartwarming and nakakaiyak. So I'm preparing myself to cry. But more than anything else, I'm here to show my support for the kids who has Down syndrome. And of course, Ate Sylvia, who's the producer of this film, like to congratulate her for coming up with such a beautiful film. Kasi talagang now is the time na we should heal yung mga children with Down syndrome. And the mere fact that they have a movie, parang I'm rooting for them in the best actor and best actress.
Yes, this is another kind, kumbaga flavor sa MMFF, di ba po?
Correct.
Kayo po, marami na rin nakakamiss sa pelikula. Namimiss nyo rin po ba?
Yes, next year gagawa ako ng film. So it's an advocacy film also. So watch out for it. I'm very excited. I just had to take a back seat for a year after Pamilya Sagrado because elections.
Yes.
So next year medyo pwede na.
Pwede na maging active na ulit.
Yes.
I saw you with RK po, no? Parang reunited with ano.
Wildflower, si Mayor Arnaldo.
Yeah.
Oo.
Di ba?
Yeah,
Sa,
oo.
sa TV naman po, Miss Aiko.
I'm set to do a soap opera next year also.
Wow.
So, kailangan abangan nila yan. Kasi
So, magiging-
next year, 2026, is going to be a busy year.
Oh my God, we're looking forward to that.
Yes.
Pero nagiging active din po kayo because I watched some of your, hindi naman some, all of your vlogs po in interviews and nakaka-entertain siya because we get to know the artist well, and di ba Nike? How about po sana ang SB19 naman po, may interview?
Gusto ko, alam mo, gusto ko si Stel. I remember seeing him in Reneta and then talagang gusto ko magpa-picture sa kanya kaya lang na speechless ako. Alam mo yun, na starstruck ako. Natignan ko na lang siya tapos wala na, nakaalis na siya. Nagsisi ako. Di ba, Martina? Nakita naman, okay, wala na. So I hope I get to have a picture taken with them. Pablo, kasi talaga I'm such a fan of Ken. Kilala ko sila lahat,
Oh
Josh.
my
oo,
God. Ano
yeah.
pong tatanungin niyo sa kanila if ever?
Bakit ganyan kayo kalimaw kung mag-perform? Talagang fino-follow ko sila, pinapanood ko yung mga videos nila, and sayang lang hindi ako nakapanood nung major concert nila
Yeah.
kasi nga at that time sobrang busy with work. But I hope one day I get to talaga see them in action. Oo.
Pero good news po, Miss Aiko, dahil meron silang homecoming this January and
Oh
April.
my God, saan yan?
Parang sabi nila, Philippine Arena.
Ah, shucks,
So,
oh my God.
Yeah.
Manonood na ako niyan.
Tag kita, Miss
Oo,
Aiko.
please nga.
Kasi I'm
please.
18 as well, fan.
Oo.
Kaya, hopefully makita ko rin sa vlog ninyo, di ba? Kasi
Oo,
that's such, parang wow.
Come through din sa akin yun, ma-interview sila. Oh my God, baka hindi ako makapagsalita.
Oh my God.
Oo.
Miss Aiko, grabe, you're so blooming po.
Ay,
I've
thank
seen you from the and then right now. It's overwhelming.